Okay, this is a lesson on direct and partial variation. Direct variation, one variable is a constant multiple of another value. Okay, another variable. So graphically, direct variation will always start at 0, 0. So it'll start right at the point of origin and it will go up or down from there. Okay, so direct variation starts right at 0, 0. For example, direct variation, Johnny works at a store. He gets paid $8 an hour. So if he doesn't work at all any hours, he's going to get 0 pay. So for time worked, 0, he's going to earn 0. If he works for 2 hours at $8 an hour, he's going to make $16. 4 hours, if he works for 4 hours, he's going to times 8, okay, he's going to make $32. 6, he's going to make 48, and if he works 8 hours, he's going to make $64. Okay, but if he doesn't work any hours, he's going to make 0 money. So graphically, if time, okay, I've put time along my x-axis and pay on my y-axis, it's going to start at 0, 0, and then I have my points going from there. Okay, an equation for this would be P equals 8T. For the amount of money he makes, P, the pay, equals 8 times how long he works. So if let's say he worked 9 hours, then the amount of money he make would be 8 times 9 would be $72. The amount of money he makes directly changes according to how long he works for. That is direct variation. Starts at 0, 0. Partial variation does not start at 0, 0. So graphically, it'll be starting up on the y-axis a little bit. It'll be a y-intercept and then be going from there. For an example, Johnny takes a taxi. It charges him $2 just to get in the taxi and then 50 cents a kilometer. So it's going to change 50 cents every kilometer he drives, but it's going to charge him $2 just to get in. So if he doesn't drive anywhere, he still has to pay. He still has to pay $2. And then it's going to go up by 50 cents after that. Okay, now if that was direct variation, if he didn't drive anywhere, it'd be still $0. But because it's partial, didn't drive anywhere, had to pay $2. So on a graph, it'd be starting up at the 2 and then going up by 50 cents for every kilometer after that. As an equation, you have a constant here. You have a 2 plus 0.5d. This 0.5d is how much it changes by, but it starts at the $2 for just getting into the taxi. And then you can plug in values from there. So just as a quick summary. Table of values, direct variation starts at 0, 0. Partial variation does not. It'd be 0, 10, something like that, or 0 and another value. Graphically, direct variation starts at 0, 0. Partial does not. It starts up a little bit. And as an equation, direct variation is just y equals or something equals, and then you have your constant variation times the value, or times by your independent variable. For partial variation, you have another constant put in there, your starting point, how much you're starting at, and then you have your how much it changes by. Okay? So you have partial variation, direct variation. Partial variation, direct variation, partial variation, direct variation. Thank you very much.